Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game is updated and your save is backed up. Do that now. Once done, head to the district where city markers spawn and prioritize collecting 5 distinct markers. This primes the Halo unlock. Make sure your character meets the area level requirement and equip the marker scanner so waypoints appear. This first push seeds the progression and prevents wasted runs, because the Halo requires markers plus an active scanner to register them, so don't skip these steps. Once you've gathered initial markers, scan each one completely, hold the scan until the bar reaches 100%. Then, finish any mini-objectives tied to those markers. These tasks often trigger the server to register your progress. Make sure to watch for the sync confirmation icon or message before moving to another district, because partial scans won't count toward the city Halo. If you travel too fast, markers can desync, so pause and verify the server acknowledgement to keep your progress intact. To finish, return to the central hub or specified shrine that finalizes citywide achievements. Being physically present often triggers the Halo unlock. If the Halo doesn't appear, relog and clear temporary cache, then resync your markers. This forces the server to reevaluate progress. Make sure to take a screenshot of any confirmation or missing reward screen. That image helps support. One tip: if multiple accounts are involved, check you use the same profile. Mismatched profiles are a common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.